What's up, guys, and welcome back to Mr. Sun's YT. And today, it's kind of loud out here. Let me pause it. I'll be right back. So, guys, I'm back, and it's much peaceful in here. And it's much better with La Fidget Spinner. I'll make it more light. Hi, I see it. Hi. So guys, there's a pen right there. Guys, as you can see, I bought a new fidget spinner and it is white. So yeah. And I am going to be teaching you some cool tricks with fidget spinners. Just wait until, look guys, it just keeps on going. Look guys, I am magic. It's actually spinning that way, guys, but look at if I go like this. So guys, just see my hand, guys. That way. Look, if you look at it, so watch guys, it looks like it's going like that way, or it looks like it can go that way. See guys? Spin this way, it looks like it's going that way, but it's actually going this way. You can see it going that way or that way. It's either way you want to see it. Look guys, look at it. Ah-hee-hoo! This is how my fidget spinner looks when it's spinning. And now I'm gonna start spinning. Oh yeah, guys, this is my new fidget spinner. Mom got it for me, guys. And let's wait until it just stops spinning. I'm just gonna wait until it stops spinning. Look, it's close to stop spinning, guys. But yeah, guys, the new fidget spinner, guys, and I'm doing next video about a fidget spinner block. I mean, fidget spinner cube. Is that what it's called? Yes, fidget spinner cube. And the fidget spinner cube is where a cube, it has a little ball, buttons, a little something. And this is some tricks you can do, guys. Wait, go back. Gotta make sure I don't hit it. So go to my finger. Ah, darn it, messed up. So it's right here, guys. It's still right here. Go up to my finger. What do you see here? And yeah, guys, you obviously just go like this, guys. Look at it. You obviously just go like this, guys.
What are you doing?
Making a YouTube video about tricks for a fidget spinner. And yeah, that's one trick. And there's another trick that I really don't want to do on the sidewalk because it might break this. So it looks like this. Whoa. Hey guys, you can either go like that. You can either do it with one finger or two fingers, but two fingers is the best way to do it. Like that. It obviously just like that, guys. And it obviously just goes like that in the air, and you're supposed to catch it again, or you're and there's another trick, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah. So I'll spin it as fast as I can, guys. This is it, literally as fast as I can spin it, guys. Wait, let's see how it looks like. I'm gonna try to spin it as fast as I can. Hey guys. Look guys, this is obviously gonna be the most record on the whole entire world of fidget spinner. This is gonna be the lowest record. And that's not the lowest, this is the lowest. Lowest record, guys. Okay. Guys, look what I freaking found. Wait. Not might be for It's not probably not for fidget spinner, but what is inside of this? Oh. Doesn't look like nothing comes out. Okay, that was an air pressure. Guys, just try to. If I spin it on my nose for 5 seconds, guys, you can leave a like if you want. I'm not making you, but if you want. So I want to get it like straight up. So guys, this is just a practice. So I mess up. Okay, so that's just a practice, guys. Now let's go for the real one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave a like, guys. That's actually for 6 seconds. That was actually for 5. So guys, leave a like, guys. Subscribe, and there could be a bell right there when you subscribe, guys. And there's another trick, guys. Go like this, and you can go like that. Throw it up and catch it with your other hand, and oh, I did it. Let's see. Oh, ah, that. Oh. Alright. See how, guys, seriously, guys, look how easy these things come out. Look, guys, just with one finger comes out, and then the second one finger. This one is kind of hard to get out. You're gonna need to use your other thumb or 2 thumbs. Ah. And you can obviously, guys, the bearings, guys, as you can see, the bearings, as you can see, it has a hole right there, guys. Stick a pencil or a pen through it, guys. You spin it, guys, and then you sit it down, it's gonna spin the pencil or a pen or color pencil, but if you try to hit it, guys, it's just gonna it's gonna go straight, and if you hit it back again, guys, it's just gonna go like that, and it's just gonna go, and it's gonna go straight like this on the pencil. Straight. That was obviously, you guys who wants to see. Wait, so right here, guys, look at the fence, guys. Look, literally the fence, guys. It goes legit like that, like side to side, and then straight, side, straight. I'm gonna try to make a ride for my phone down the side. Oh my gosh, that's dangerous for my phone. But this is how high my phone is going to go. And at the beach house. It's a bath, it's adorable. So guys, let me put my buttons back in my fidget spinner. And yeah, those are some tricks you can do, guys, for a fidget spinner, guys. If you have one, guys, if you want this one, guys, link it down into the description, guys, down below, and subscribe, like, and leave a tic-tac-toe thingy, and then fidget spinner, and then I'll give you this, guys, whoever sends that first. And guys, give me your phone number, guys. I will call you guys. I cross my heart, hope to die, stick a needle in my eye, and yeah, see you later. Oh guys, wait, let me tell you one joke. What is a bee's favorite number? 0. Okay, that's the worst joke ever. So see you later.